Hey, if you want to play Google Play Store games on the Windows 11 PC, first of all, you will have to open your browser and input the Google Play Windows phrase in your search engine. Then you will have to open the official play.google.com website, this one, and that's how it looks. And you will have to get this download beta version for the Google Play. So click on it. Now you can simply open this file. So we'll get this Microsoft Store, and you'll have to click to install anyway. Now you can pick the location of the Play games. I'm gonna stay with the default one, but if you want to change it, just click to browse and click on the install button and click yes if you get this notification if this application can actually make some changes on your PC. Now it is actually downloading something, but it goes pretty fast. So after a few seconds, it will go into the installation process. We are now around 60%. It's over 700 megabytes. So that's a lot, but we will get it. And now we are going for the installation process. So now we have to wait. Okay, and now it is around 95%. It's almost finished. And now it is actually 100%. So next, just wait for the installation. There we go. And now we can find shortcut for the Google Play games on our screen. It will also be also turned on automatically, and now we can sign in with a Google account, and that's basically it. After this, you will have to just follow on-screen instructions. That's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.